DAN registration is a crucial process for briefly explain its purpose. For example, authenticating domains, securing network access, or complying with specific tech protocols. In this step-by-step demo, we'll walk you through the entire process, starting with visiting the official registration website, creating an account, if required, and navigating to the DAN registration section. You'll learn how to input key details like mention specifics, for example, domain names, IP addresses, accurately. Complete any verification steps, such as email, SMS confirmation, and finally submit your request for approval. We'll also cover why DAN registration matters. It enhances security, ensures compliance with industry standards, and prevents disruptions like mention risks, for example, service denials or breaches. By the end, you'll be equipped to handle this process confidently. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you need help.